or probably an air cannon. And we could do several games with this. Tic-tac-toe, I know that's one of them. And maybe practice with targets. And it looks like we got a little book. An extra activity, which is I really don't do those, but one day I will record myself doing those extra videos. And see, vortex cannon mini games. You can do tic-tac-toe. You can do pitfall, yeah, pitfall. And points pazza, something like that. I don't know how to pronounce that. And the golden target. And it looks like we got a blue tube, a red tube, a marker for the points, which we don't need that yet. These balloon thingies, because of course we need balloons. These things, which is, I don't quite know, maybe the cover. And this is smoke cones. Keep in mind, it says, let me fix that. Okay, maybe you can't read that, but there you go. Adult supervision. Okay, I think it's backwards for you. I don't know. The golden target. See, there goes the golden target. These long pole things, which I think is what we're going to be using for those targets. And tape, of course. Now, let's get started. Stopped it. Okay, our first instructions. We won't be needing these cones, so if you set these to the side, looks like we'll be needing these things though. So let's open them. At least I got scissors rolling by me. Okay, looks like I got the stands out. First, we'll need those stickies. I think it's in here, because mainly everything is in here. Okay. We got a sticker sheet. We don't need that yet. Balloons. We don't need that yet. They're not for airing in or birthday parties. I mean, if you didn't want to do this project, yes, you can use it for that, but no. And the extra balloons, I'm going to check it soon, but the extra balloons I think is for when, let's say, boom, it broke. Yeah, that'll be pretty useful. Okay, I don't see many. Okay, there they go. They're hiding from me. Alright. What side are we doing? Okay, I don't think it matters what side. I don't think it matters what side. So, these things. Those little lines, avoid these things. Just block them out. The ones on the top, there's two of them. We'll be using these. And I'm going to be sticking on them. We'll be sticking them on here. So let me get my first one. And don't grab too many at one time. You have to make sure you really focus, because if you get this, there you go. Because if you block any of that gap, we got to unstick it, and that's probably going to be a big mess, and it's probably going to mess up the wood. And without this thing, the whole project is over. So you might as well use these balloons as party balloons, or something to blow up and let it fly around. Now, if you do unstick these, at least they got extra. And if they don't do anything to the wood, yes, you're perfect. Then you can restick them. At least I don't think we have to use them for any other ones. Oh, wait! I forgot about this. Now, I should be about done about now. See, I told you it worked. Now, it looks like, it looks like we're gonna have to stand these things up. And put them on here. Yep, put them on here. Oh wait, they go at the bottom. Make sure these part goes at the bottom. So it should be like that. And it goes really tight. So now, we got a basic part done. That part. And now we need to do the rest. I got number 2. A full square. But missing one more. And boom. I got my stand. And now it's time for part B. Take a water break, eat, or anything. And let's get started with our first cannon. Now, first we need our balloons. Sorry, I was lagging, but not lagging, but never mind. But looks like we have to cut this poor little balloon. Now I see why they made extras. And stay safe out there in the world of the coronavirus. Please stay safe. Now I need to flatten this out. I know I said no airing in, but I'm only airing this in to flatten this thing out. And you can do it too. Okay, looks like mine got straightened out a little bit. Okay, I see a line. And cut it evenly. Hope I got the right size. And you have to stretch it out. Man, this is gonna be hard. I should be about done with the balloons about now. Now, this took a whole lot of hard work, a lot of patience. Promise me. I tore this thing off and I got really frustrated. So now, we're gonna get the tape. Finally. Oh God. Don't frustrate me, tape. Okay. Now I'm gonna be using this tape to stick on. Alright, we finally taped it, and we have him. Wait, did it actually? No, it's coming out. Probably because I have to do more. It's not doing anything. It's not doing anything. I don't know why. Oh, maybe I just worked on targets. Let me see. Let me get these targets on here. Alright, got it all set. See if this thing works. It don't work. Let me redo it. Alright. How to fix it. You see this new balloon? No more orange. It's in the trash. Sad orange. Oh, this is the one remaining pieces. Sad orange. Anyway, got it to work. See, it's blowing tons of air. See that? Okay, I think I knocked that over a little bit. There's no way that it blew that much air. Oh, let's just forget about this one because, well, it's not important. Oh. Yeah, this is one of the targets. They got up to 3 colors. 1, 2, 3. And this is only one yellow, because you know the yellow target. The yellow target. We had some technical issues there. Anyway, now I'm not gonna record doing the other cannon, but I plan on having a tryout video, which is gonna come out on the same day I upload, which I plan to. I don't know. you know, I can't make any promise there. But I plan to put out the tryout video with this video. So let's get started. I should have done that with all the other videos. Matter of fact, why have you done that? Actually, I'll give you a tryout on the other one. The crystal lit. Crystal. I should deal with the catapult and the light, glowing light thing. Anyway, medium, small. Okay. Oh, okay. We're doing a little technical. All right. Looks like we'll be needing this. We'll be needing these. Small to medium to a large. That was plastic. Okay, it says to the right. Hold on, I'm sorry. I have a habit of doing this when I make sure left or right. Okay, smoke cones. What are smoke cones? Okay, it's something we don't need to be messing with right now, but let's get started. Okay, it looks like we're going to be needing these. With the, it says to the right now. And I stick it on here. Now this time you have to have it real perfect, because the size is not smaller or bigger than the sticker. And any covering of that hole, you're doomed. I have to tell you, you're doomed. Now I think we have to do all of these. I'm just going to do 3 for now, since it only shows 3. And on my last one, there, I did 3. Does this look perfect to you? Sorry, technical issues again. I pressed the button this time. Alright, I hope that looks perfect to you. Oh, that one looks a little crooked. But it's not going to affect, I don't think. Yeah, it's going to affect. I think, I don't know. Stick it on the sides, cheat. And then, here comes the fun part. But that is the, which one we will use first? Which one do we use first? Oh God. It looks like they're not trying to explain to us what we need to do. First it says we need to, which one are we supposed to use? I'm getting freaked out here. Are we supposed to use this or this? Oh wait, I think that's for the, oh, my bad, what are we supposed to use? Okay, we're supposed to be using the medium. I was freaking out. I don't know what they use. Okay, it says first with an angle. It says put it in an angle, out slightly. It says peel the, and also it says peel the front part off. And then we put on top of here and put it on it. That's it. Okay, oh wait, I used the wrong side. No. I just realized I used the wrong side. Okay. My bad, you know, inventors make mistakes, right? Okay, it's supposed to go on the front part, not on the balloon. That's a carry mistake. This is probably where most of the air is going to... Like a little sniper, basically. Have it wide, you have it unzoomed. Have it little zoomed and then with the little, oh wait, I think it's the opposite way. Larger is the more sniperish. Okay. I'm glad we learned something. And it says we're supposed to do the rest with the other one. It's supposed to be done about now. And now. I finished. Now it's finished. Oh, okay. But see, in the beginning, it wasn't pulling that much air. And like I was saying, the more close it is, the more air that push out. And looks like I got more air. And I told you, in this video, we're not going to do the other cannon, although it looks cool. Should have done that with that one. But it looks cool, but I get used to that. And now, looks like we can change things. So I'm kind of curious with the big one. So let's try the big one. See? Big one. And you can just simply twist it, which is pretty neat. Okay, no one saw that. Okay, nothing happened, but like I said, I was kind of right. The more closer it is, the more air that pops out, and it feels like a little mini air missile. That one. I'm less curious to try out this one. I don't know, but I feel like it's going to be awesome at the same time. See, it's much louder also, but less air, which you don't want with that in a contest. So, we're done. Oh wait, yeah. So we can use puff. See, it says you can use create larger and smaller puffs of air by swapping by smaller grades. Now, what we have on this back is tinker with your air cannon. Distance. You can see. Oh, at least I had it the wrong way. That's why that's why it wasn't falling off. So tinker with your air cannon. If you have a ruler, which is I don't actually, I have a ruler, but a school ruler, wooden one. It says a distance challenge. Let me share it with y'all people. It says tinker with your air cannon. Distance challenge. So test out how far you can be from shoot the targets and still knock off the cards, or shoot where air cannon at a friend and find a distance where they can no longer feel the puffs of air. But I suggest that one because you know that might be false. Like I don't feel no air, but then it might be wrong. I don't know. But blackout hard mode says how quickly can you knock off all the cards. and the target stand. Try to attack your accuracy, and if you can attempt to clear the targets a fast time with the fewer shots. Hard mode. Try lost. If you want to do it harder, try to do it far away. It says memory. Challenge your brain as well you can aim. As well your aim. So set up by using an erase marker. This. An erase marker. Hold on. Memory said erase marker to draw your 4 pairs of symbol, and on the back of the target says 2 circles, 2 stars, and 2 hearts, and 2 squares, and plus a bonus symbol. And last card, flip the card over to mix them, and then hang on the stand. To play, take aim and try to knock out the 2 cards with the same symbol. Like, that's pretty neat. Also, you can play tic-tac-toe. At least what I said you could play. Oh yeah, you can play it. That is it for today. We'll be glad to see you. Well, I'll be glad to see you on another video. Please leave a like and subscribe. No comments because I made it for children. I'm sorry if you want to comment, but you can't. It's for children. But we want to see you subscribe. And please please just subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.